Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to post multiple photos on Instagram without cropping. So if you want to do that, first of all you have to open up your Instagram application, and after opening your Instagram application, tap on the profile icon which is on the bottom right, and then you have to tap on the plus icon which is on the top. And after tapping on that plus icon, now you have to tap on post, and now you have to select the images which you would like to post. And after selecting the image that you would like to post, now you have to select the aspect ratio of that image. After selecting an aspect ratio of this image, now you have to go on and select some other images. And after selecting these other images, your previous aspect ratio has been added to this new image. Selecting all the images, now you have to tap on next. You have to tap on next again, and after doing that you will successfully post multiple pictures on Instagram without cropping. So this is how you can post multiple pictures on your Instagram without cropping. If you think this video was helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel, and if you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.